Welcome to Saucepan Tri-Pro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen essential, the DELARLO Tri-Ply stainless steel saucepan. This 3.5-quart wonder promises durability, even heating, and versatility for all your culinary creations. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Right off the bat, what stands out about this saucepan is its construction. DELARLO uses a whole clad tri-ply stainless steel. This means it's not just a thin layer of stainless steel. It's a robust combination of food-grade stainless steel on the inside, an aluminum core for excellent heat conductivity, and an outer layer of 18-aught stainless steel. This construction is designed to create a permanent bond that ensures heat travels not just along the bottom, but also up the sidewalls of the pan. This is crucial for achieving fast and even heat distribution, which translates to better cooking performance and, according to the manufacturer, can even save up to 20% on fuel. That's a significant claim for a saucepan. The company also emphasizes that this 3.5-quart pot is heavier and thicker than ordinary saucepans. The fully clad 3-layer steel material, coupled with high sides and a round rim design, contributes to its quick response and durability. They claim the soup is less likely to spill over, and even after hours of boiling, it maintains its performance. With the lid on, it retains warmth for a long time after cooking. This makes it ideal for a variety of tasks, from simmering sauces and melting butter to making candies and syrups. When it comes to design, DELARLO has clearly aimed for professional standards. The saucepan features comfortable handles, designed to reduce heat transfer, making it safer to handle. The grip is described as wide and deep for a secure hold. The lid is made of clear tempered glass, rimmed with stainless steel, allowing you to easily monitor your cooking progress without lifting the lid, which helps to maintain temperature and moisture. It also includes a steam vent for added safety. Versatility is another key selling point. This saucepan is compatible with virtually all stovetops. Whether you have induction, gas, electric, glass, ceramic, or halogen, this pan should work. The full-clad stainless steel construction allows the body of the pot to withstand high temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, and the lid is safe up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes it suitable for both home kitchens and more demanding commercial environments. The manufacturer lists a wide range of cooking methods this saucepan can handle. You can boil, blanch, marinate, sauté, braise, bake, goulash, and even refrigerate in it. The inner food-grade stainless steel is a significant benefit because it won't react with your food, thus preserving the natural tastes and ensuring fresh, flavorful results. This is a critical feature for anyone who cares about the taste of their food. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons based on these details. On the plus side, the tri-ply stainless steel construction is a definite win. It promises superior heat distribution, which is fundamental for good cooking. The durability and thickness suggest this pan is built to last, making it a good value for money in the long run. The wide stovetop compatibility is a huge advantage, meaning you don't have to worry about whether it will work with your current or future stove. The professional-grade design, with comfortable handles and a functional glass lid, adds to its appeal and usability. And importantly, the food-grade stainless steel interior ensures that your food's flavor remains untainted. However, there are a few potential considerations. The claim of saving up to 20% on fuel, while attractive, would require independent testing to fully verify. The emphasis on being heavier and thicker is good for durability, but it might also mean it's heavier to lift and maneuver, especially when full, which could be a minor inconvenience for some users. While the handles are designed to reduce heat transfer, any metal handle will eventually get warm, so caution is still advised. Lastly, while dishwasher safe, prolonged use of dishwashers can sometimes affect the shine of stainless steel over time, so hand washing might be recommended for maintaining its pristine appearance. In conclusion, the DELARLO Tri-Ply stainless steel saucepan appears to be a very well-constructed and versatile piece of cookware. Its robust build, excellent heat conductivity, and wide compatibility make it a strong contender for anyone looking for a reliable saucepan that can handle a variety of cooking tasks. It seems to strike a good balance between professional quality and everyday usability. Link in the description.